Irish, I'm Roman, and today we'll be looking at some of my very first YouTube videos. Let's go. The quality is bad. You know, I sort of love my old intro.
Okay, hello YouTube, welcome again to my channel, Tell Me Rowan. And today with us we have Tony, he's my friend from Guatemala. So we are the Guatemala Jamaicanos. I don't know, we are something, but we'll figure it out later. Alright, so let's begin. And today's video is the 5 things I like about Jamaica. Okay, let's begin with Tony.
Okay, my editing skills they were awful. 5 things I like about Jamaica. I mean, I could have done something better with the words, the font style. There's no creativity. I'm not even sure if there's music in the background.
He's gonna say 3 and I'm gonna say 2.
Yeah, man, you know, like how we say in Jamaica, I'm here. So, yeah, the first thing I like about Jamaica is the music, wicked music out the road. Like, every time you are in the street, I listen nice music, cool music, I feel nice when I'm walking on the streets around Jamaica, you know. So, that's the first thing I love about Jamaica.
First of all, let's just take a minute to observe my sense of fashion. Impeccable. Also, I realized that it's been a long time since I've been wearing things on my hand and rings.
Okay, I like the music too. Sometimes. Okay, the first thing I like is I like the food. It's very spicy. It's delicious. It's just out of this world. It's exquisite.
Wait, do I even sound the same? In fact, my voice has changed greatly.
And
Yeah, and the second thing for me, I mix the language because I love the language. So the second thing I love
Yeah, he loves patois.
about Jamaica is the language, English, Jamaican English. So that's why sometimes I mix my English with Jamaican English, but that's why, because I love it. So it sounds very nice, it sounds cool, it sounds like swag, you know, swag language, yeah.
Give me patois.
Swag, yeah, man.
Oh, that's my sister in the background. Oh my god.
so give us of the language, Tony. Give us something. Give us some patois.
Yeah, man, me there, you know, everything Chris.
Yeah.
Martin.
Oh,
Right
okay.
here.
Okay, for me, I like the language as well. I think it's very dynamic. It's very cool. It's full of energy. I do it than English, honestly. So that's it for me. And Tony will end with the last thing he likes.
Yeah, man.
Oof.
The last thing we like is girls, Jamaican girls. Yeah, I like their style, Caribbean style with flats and shorts and you know their style. I like the style very much. So, like when you walk on the street and you see pretty girls, pretty girls walking like Caribbean style and that stuff. I like it very much. So that's the third thing for me.
Yeah, okay, awesome. So that's 5 in all. So I hope you come to Jamaica, right? Tony, you'll enjoy time here. If you can see what I have here.
Yeah, man.
Some bracelets and a ring. And that's it. This is something from Guatemala as well, a bracelet. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And
yeah, man. I hope you come to Jamaica because I'm very happy to be here. So
yes.
I will be here again in some time. So I hope you like the video and you subscribe to the channel. So,
share.
yeah,
Ciao. Goodbye.
Let's look at 1 or 2 more. Honestly, it's good to look back at where you started to see how much you have grown. By looking at this video, by watching this video, it brings back memories and I have grown in a lot of aspects. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't try searching for these, you will not find them, I assure you. So with that said, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment and share. And with that said, I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing. Oh boy, you could not tell me that I was not sexy back then. You cannot tell me that I was not the bomb.